Hey, what's up guys? So I recently picked up this puzzle. It's called Rubik's Edge, and really this is just, it's pretty simple to solve actually. So all it is just, you can rotate it like this and do all this sorts of stuff of all that stuff, right? So let me just show you something that's really cool. So like for instance, a checkerboard pattern, right? Um, so this would be like this, and like that. Boom. That would be a checkerboard pattern. And to solve it, all it is just going backwards, or same way you did the other way, the same way you just did it. So it's all it is just boom and boom. And there you go, solved. So but yeah, this is pretty cool. You can just and it's not only just making patterns or whatever. You can actually you can also make some like really cool shapes. Like you can actually have this. You can also have this rotate it like that, something like that or whatever. But or maybe like make two, something like that. What was it? I recently did something. Hang on a second. Um, what was I doing recently? Okay, back to solve mode, back to the solve position. So here's something pretty cool. So you can kind of like do this. If I can only try to do it. Well, you can like make something up like that or whatever. Um, really, it's just you can make some really cool shapes. um, oh yeah, this is what I was trying to do. Yep, 2 plus signs. Or yeah, it's kind of like that. So yeah, this is pretty cool. You can make all sorts of shapes like that. um, Something like that or whatever. Yeah, and boom. Yeah, like that. It's pretty fun little puzzle that you can play around. Just you know. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna mess it up and try to solve it. It's really actually pretty simple actually. um, Not as much as pretty simple to solve. Didn't really I solved it before. I actually figured it out myself without even looking at without even looking up tutorials. I actually figured out myself how to solve it. Yeah, so didn't really take me any time at all to solve it. So yeah, it's kind of scrambled. So let me try to solve it. Actually, I'm already solving it while I'm scrambling it, and at the same time I'm trying to solve it. Right? I don't know. So kind of scrambled it, but then I was trying to solve it. So hang on a second. Oh yeah, this goes like this. It's kind of scrambled, somewhat scrambled. You can call that scrambled. Somewhat scrambled. There you go. That looks like scrambled. And now let's. I don't have timer here with me, but let's just start anyways. All right, so I'm just gonna do that. Really, it's just. I'm not really gonna speed up here. I'm just gonna solve it as solve it the way I. Really, actually, what you can do is just do that and do this. Do kind of like this. Just rotate it to the right color, and you're pretty much almost done. and really it's just yeah, another pattern just here. Yeah, so let me see where this goes. So if I do this, then I do this, then becomes this sort of here solved, but here not. But what I can do is this, like that, like this, that, like this, and there you go. And now I only have these two left, so I'll just do the same thing. Yep, there's that, and there you go, solved. So yeah, pretty cool puzzle. Just, you know, really cool, pretty cool little puzzle here. So one other thing that I wanted to mention, it the right inverted down inverted does work here actually as well. Understand? It's like a standard Rubik's cube. Here's the right inverted right down method. All right, so here's the standard cube, right? So basically, what I was talking about is the right inverted right down method. So, for example, here's how you're gonna do right inverted, down inverted, right down, right. So that's basically how it goes. So, and if you do that 6 times on a solid cube, then the cube will go to its original position. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was 6. So there you go. That's the method. That's the first thing that I ever learned when I started. Well, that's the first thing I learned in solving Rubik's cube. So that method there. So yeah, and this actually it does work on this thing as well. So here it is. So right inverted. Let's see, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, something like that. So yeah, this does work. Even like this, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. That's 1. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. I think that was 3. Yeah, that was 3. So yeah. Anyways, there you go. I thought I'd show you this really cool puzzle that I just recently picked up. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys